Everyone. In this video, we'll talk about navigating through the different sections of your RStudio. So by default, RStudio separates the sections into what we call panes or panels, which are what you can see on screen over here. Now, the very first time you open up RStudio, you have three panels: the console, the environment, and the files panel. Typically, there are four, which includes a script file as well. And to load the script file, I'm going to click on File at the very top, select New File, and select RScript. Okay, so these are your four panels, and you can adjust them as required. The top panel, the script file, this is where you write your code, and you can execute it very easily, and the output appears directly within the console, which is your panel over here. So for example, if I wrote some code to be 1 plus 1, the way I get the results is to click the Run button, this line over here, and you can see the results, they appear within your console. Okay. The shortcut to running your code, if you're on a Windows, is Control Enter. The equivalent of this on a Mac is Command Enter. Of course, you can also just put your cursor at the very end of the line of code you want and click Run as well. That gives you the same thing. You'll find that using shortcuts, however, will save you a lot of time. The environment panel, this one over here, is when you have objects that you've created or loaded and get saved over here, and you can call them up very quickly. So for example, if I wanted to create an object over here, what we've just done, and called it, I don't know, A, for example, I can use this operator, which looks like a less than sign followed by a dash. The shortcut for this is Alt dash. But what that does, if I run this, it's now saved or it's stored my object, which is the answer to 1 plus 1, within my environment. So you can see it's 2 over here. This way, if I want to use that quickly in any future analyses, I can just call up A. You can see if your A is 2, but let's say I wanted to do A plus A, for example, which we know what's happening here. It's taking the value of 2 and adding 2 again. Okay. And down here is our files panel, the bottom right. If we already have data or anything like that we can call into our working folder, that's where we place it. Now, for now, we're not going to worry about this just yet until one of the later videos. But this introductory video is just to show you the four main panels.